Okay, so hi guys. It's currently 8 at night, and my friend texted me and said, "Oh my god, I got hacked. I'm gonna start playing it, and by the way, this is my new main." And yeah, I was like, "Whoa, slow your roll, you got hacked?" And she was like, "Yeah, but I don't know who by, so I guess we're gonna go research it." She said her status is actually quite creepy. Her status, she said, is really creepy. Let me adjust the camera. There, so like... She said like none of her items are taken. But like... I honestly don't know how she got hacked. Okay. Can I spin this one? Okay. Just, go ahead. Glitch all you want. Yeah, she said her status was really creepy. She plays on mobile because her computer doesn't work. I just saw her status, but I decided not to read it. Okay. Let's go to Dockland Games. Yeah. Okay. Blood is thicker. Okay, I'm gonna go make an art book about this. Cause like, I honestly don't know what else to do. Let's see some new stuff. Now I wanna go fake hacker hunting, so I'm gonna search up targets. Bloody kisses? When was this made? Guys, my name is on the top targets. All hacker hunters. Oh god, I don't like where this is going. Snorlinks, that's like my best friend. Days. Organic trash, that's my friend. XX Dockland Games XX. XX Swagify XX. Blur, which is a good friend of mine. Bunny, which is Blur. Watch out, you may be next. Warn these people not to play February 10th. Goodbye, death, help. And then this is Pixie Star, isn't it? Yeah. Yep, that's Pixie Star. Okay, I'm scared. So let's check out her profile. Level 2, rookie. Water may be thick, but blood is thicker. My ideal plan is February 25th. Oh my gosh, 10th. 25th is my science fair. Watch out. Crap. I know who it is now, at least. What's her name? Bloody Kisses. Look at her art. Look at her art book. Okay. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. I can't grammar. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm really scared. Water may be thick, but what a sticker, what's that supposed to mean? Does she have any other, like, things? No, that's it. One love? Oh my gosh. She's real, she hacked XX. Don't play games. XX. One of her targets. Look at her art book. I'm not afraid that, like, I'm not really freaking out because this is like the first of my video that I'm doing something about hackers that I haven't personally gotten hacked. So, yeah. Oh, she gotta go. See you at school. Okay, okay. I have to make sure her account doesn't get hacked because stress. I honestly don't think that this is a real hacker, but just in case, I'm gonna write that. I don't know this guy like at all. I friended him so I could put him in my movies. Oh God, not again! I don't even get afraid when I hack people when I get hacked anymore because I get hacked way too much. Like honestly, I get hacked way too much. I don't even believe that I got hacked. Uh-oh, ruh-roh, spaghetti-o. Don't like this. I don't know my name, and well, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do when I'm getting hacked and my password is changed? Like, honest to God. I'm not scared. I'll be right back when I figured out something to do. Figure out what to do. Okay, it's been an hour. It's 9 now, so okay. Oh, I got back in. Okay, thank God. Oh my God! Hacked. What a sticker sincerely bloody kisses. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's right here. Come on, I can't afford this. Pick up. No. Where is he? Why isn't anything working? It won't let me click on anything. I'm gonna reload, I guess. Oh my god, come on. No, I don't want to renew my membership. One click. I'm really concerned that it won't let me click. I'm gonna end the video if you do not play MS3. Oh my gosh. Bye. Bloody kisses. I'm target. Bitter, gosh, bittersweet MSP. Oh my god. I seriously don't have time to be messing around with, but I can't really look to see if I have all my items. I don't have time for MSP. Oh my god. I'm a target! My internet's pretty crap. Oh, please! Well, see you guys, I guess. Shucks. Oh my god, guys. This is a warning. I guess it won't let me, okay. For bloody kisses, heart, I guess. Oh, okay, I'm gonna fight for my right. Oh my god, if you get it.